እቺ ትንሽ ጭንቅላት ግን ይሄን ሁሉ እውቀት በስማ
You could be smarter than me because my IQ is just 217.
No, አይደለም አይ እንደዛ ማለት አትችልም አይ አልስማማም
Why?
ምክንያቱም አንተ ትበልጠኛለህ እንዴ
No, but you could be smarter than me one day.
One day ማለት መች አርጅቼ ድንጋይ ላይ በቀለ ጺም ነው
No.
አይደለም
One day could be like next year. You could be smarter than Einstein.
ማካንታ እንዴት
How? You have to read books, you have to see games, you have to find games that help you. You need to learn simulation.
ምን አይነት games?
Games that help you to physics, maths, and others like nuclear. ለምሳሌ nuclears, which is about how you can work on a nuclear power plant by using nuclear physics, which is in physics. So it's teaching physics.
እሺ ኑክሌርን ማወቅ ከዛ ጭንቅላቴን አይኪን ከፍ ያደርገዋል?
But it only increases by 1. So you have to read 1 billion books to have 1 billion IQ if you have 0.
እንዴት ነው ማነበው?
1 billion books? Well, you have to read it.
እንዴት አንተ ስንት መጽሐፍ አንብበሃል?
ስንት መጽሐፍ? Well, I started reading books when I was free, and when I was free to 8 to now, that means 1,415,220,200.
መጽሐፍ አንብበሃል?
Yes.
ስንት ቢሊየን መጽሐፍ?
1 billion.
አንድ ቢሊየን መጽሐፍ አንብቤያለሁ ያለ ነው።
No. You can read a quadrillion. You could even read a million or a Google or a grand number or infinity books.
እንዴት ተደርጎ ነው በዚህ አጭር ጊዜ?
You just have to be patient and read the entire thing, and then you have to
የፈለገ patient መሆን